Just do business.
I got a bag, I'm running it all. I got a check, running it all.
So you see this run down, that's running this way.
Okay.
That's running. Let's see. So. Yeah, everything running. It's just now it's just to get the wall guards out here.
Yeah, they're gonna be out here this week.
Yeah, but see well also make sure the internet guy come quick.
Okay.
Because you do want to get certain testing done. Okay. You know, to get the connection. Like, when is the electrical guy coming?
This week too.
Yeah, you want to get him to get some power on. Like, even if he could put one
on this week before the sheetrock, I'm gonna do the power.
Right. Yeah.
They finally put the breakers out there. So.
Yeah, that's good, man. Because when you get the wall guy, before the wall guy come, you get the internet guy to come, electrical guy. Even if you could put the one electrical out there to power up for the internet guy to do the testing. Okay. You definitely want to do the testing for the internet and stuff like that. You don't never want them to come here and just you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Blue box.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, see that one on the side.
All the way to the back, yeah. Yeah, this is it's gonna, I guess when they patch it up.
Did you do them upstairs?
Yeah. That's the bathroom. So. Yeah. Right there. Right here. So you see where one side is running right here, down here.
Okay, that's the one that's going down.
Yeah, they're going down on both sides, and this is where the rack is gonna be right here. The rack's gonna run right here.
Okay. I'm gonna still be able to use that door. Huh?
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're gonna use that door. See, I thought that closet had was open, but that's your ventilation system.
Yeah, that's for the HVAC.
Yeah.
We're gonna redo the duct work, so you never know where it's gonna fucking be.
Yeah.
Cause we're gonna need a way bigger AC unit than that.
Right. So like right here and everything's ran, and then this is where you're gonna be like. This is gonna be like your like your shelf, your rack area for your.
With all my different equipment.
Yeah. You put your switch. You'll put the when he bring in, cause I see the wire right here. They ran the internet right here.
Yeah.
So when he come, he gonna have to run it right here.
Okay.
Yeah. So it's just basically just, you know, the electrical guy, he come and then everything will get finished. The terminations, because that's part 2. Just to come back. But I know how to see I deal with the wall guys. So I just know how they operate. So, and the paint guys too.
Yeah.
So I don't terminate until those paint guys come, because they have, you know, I make sure to know that they could paint and stuff like that. You terminate, you don't want to get paint on your wires. You don't want, yeah. So The termination part is when they done with the walls and stuff like that. You come terminate, put the keystones, put the wall plates on it. And that's why I put that wire through the wall, just to let them know this is gonna be right here where we running at.
Yeah. See, this front one, this gonna be my office.
Yeah, that's nice,
so
man.
I want the internet to kick in here.
Oh yeah, you gonna
What I'm gonna do is have an office, but I'm still gonna have like a fax machine, copy machine, shit like that.
Yeah.
That people be needing.
Right, cause so you got the.
Always come use.
Yeah, you got wires right here. You got a wire right here, because I was guessing you was going to put your desk right here.
Yeah, my desk. Yeah. And then I rent it out like for meetings.
Right.
Hourly or daily. And then I'm going to do this bathroom pretty hard.
Yeah.
Like I'm going to do toilet sink. But I'm thinking about even having me a little shower.
Yeah, that'll be nice too. Yeah. If you could do a little shower in there, if they could that'll be nice, because at my office we got a shower in there.
Yeah, that's what I want.
Yeah, in Atlanta.
I want where you could totally live.
Yeah.
You got to sleep here one night.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna have a little shower in there and just that sink in the little toilet.
Yeah. Yeah. Everything's gonna be good, man.
Yeah, I just paid for the ductwork yesterday, so they should be doing that shit by next week. The ductwork. And the electricity, I was just waiting on the breakers to get in.
Yeah.
Probably gonna need a window for back here.
Yeah,
or is this some kind of ventilation?
Yeah, that's probably some ventilation. I mean, you know what, they did ventilation for the dry cleaner. Yeah. That was letting out the air.
Yeah.
I mean, it's up to you. Yeah. I mean, you could refab that.
Yeah.
Or you could just put a window there.
Yeah.
You know, you could have a window there just to put light. Right there, because I know, do you have any windows up here? Like, for real? Yeah, you know, like, yeah, that. Yeah.
The only window up here is, you know, that front office got about 3 or 4 windows.
Right. Because I think it's a window, yeah, windows. Yeah, that's
it's 2, 3 windows up
right.
in the front.
Right.
And this one.
Yeah, we knocked it out.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, I just pay you the rest when you come back?
Yeah. No, you once I'm done,
yeah.
That's when we get paid. I don't ever get paid until I fully finish the work.
Okay.
It's just waiting on.
Okay.
It's just waiting on who we need to just get done, the wall guys, and then I'm gonna be checking on them too.
Okay.
Like I like to work with the wall guys and everything, to make sure they know. You know how? Yeah, exactly. Because I know I do a lot of commercials, so I know like
what it takes.
Let me see. What's going on, Kwonbie? Where we at right now?
How you doing? Where's Shannon Sweets? Where's the sweet?
Taking us on the tour.
Yeah. So right here we have a barber station. We have some young ladies that braid here. A couple more sweets. We got 10 on this level. This is Lash Tech. This is one of my best barbers. Good guy. This is actually my daughter's suite, and she's a cosmetologist. I also have another cosmetologist, tattoo artist. Oh man, I got the back door open. We offer nice bathroom. Nice bathroom. Head stations. I don't know why I got this door open. No, you don't want to see that. And the bathroom. Come upstairs. These are what I call my executive suites. They're pretty much bigger. We have washers and dryers for tenants. Another bathroom. There's suite 1. This is a barber right here. Quinn, what's up, buddy? What's up, bro? Man, what's going on? Hey, how y'all doing? Doing your video. Sweet E2, Master Barber Quinn. And this E3. This is Master Beautician. Her name is Miss Warning. And they also do nails. Her sweet is so nice. Man, this is Unknown Rap. This is Chris. Good setup where he does print. Stuff is everywhere, but it does is print.
Great setup.
This is his little bad phone.
All right.
That's basically it.
All right. Thank you for coming
They're
out.
in the neighborhood.
Shannon Sweets.
I got a bag, I'm running it all. I got a check, running it all. I got a check, running it all.